Alright, so we are going to do the first 27 for the brain. And we'll start at number 1, which is this front side of the brain. This is the frontal lobe, all up in here. And then you have the switch brains here. You have the precentral gyrus. And then you have the central sulcus, which is the line that divides the precentral gyrus from the postcentral gyrus. And the precentral gyrus is actually the last bit of the frontal lobes. That's how you know where the lobes divide at. So, going next. Alright, back to this model. We have number 5, which is the parietal lobe, which I just talked about. This is the back region of the brain. Okay, and then the lateral sulcus is this this crack right along the side of the brain. Okay, and the occipital lobe is in the very back of the brain. It's this back region. You can also see it really well on here. So it's just right back here. Number 8, the temporal lobe is on the side, right behind the temporalis muscle. The number 9, cerebellum, is this brown mass in the back. Number 10, the pons, is looking inside of it. It's right here, and it's right above the medulla oblongata, which is this section right below it. And number 12, the longitudinal fissure, is basically the big line that separates the brain into the left and right halves. Okay. The olfactory bulb. I just lost it. 13. The olfactory bulb, right here in yellow on this model. So it runs right along the longitudinal line of the brain and just right in there. Number 14, the corpus callosum. If you're looking at the brain, midsection of it, you have the corpus callosum that goes right in there. Okay, and then you have the cingulate gyrus, which is right here. Okay. The pineal body, number 16, is this little pink section right here. Okay. And number 17, switch models again, is right back in there, and that's the corpora quadrigemina. Okay. Alright, number 18, switch back again. That's the cerebral aqueduct, and that's that little kind of groove where a duct goes, right in there. Okay. The next one, the fourth ventricle, is this space right here that is in the cerebral aqueduct. Number 9, no, just did 19. 20. Where'd you go? Oh yeah, the pituitary gland is this protrusion right here in pink. Okay. The hypothalamus is what? Right. Switch.
No, the pituitary gland. Remember, was that?
That's right there.
Yeah. The little
yeah.
bulb. Yeah.
That's right. Okay. On this other model, you have the pituitary gland, which is right there. And since we're on this model, we'll go ahead and go back in there. And those little white dots that look like just little circles, those are the mammillary glands. Okay? Alright. Now, the hypothalamus is this region right in here. Okay? And it's right below the thalamus, which is this region. Here, hypothalamus, thalamus. The optic chiasm, number 24, is right here. It's right above the pituitary gland. Okay. The vermis, we just found out, is right along the side of the cerebellum. Okay, it's this lip is what the instructor said that it was. So that's what we're going by. Number 26, the midbrain, is just this section in general. Okay. And number 27, the pyramid, is crap. What we just did? Oh, it's right here on the anterior side of the medulla oblongata. That's where the pyramid is. And that's it.